fucking messed up. Here, you got me recording. Get up here. No, fucking no!
It's the ring.
The ring.
She's here to get you.
Fuck. Try again. I'm gonna go up the slide now.
I'm going to the monkey bar.
How much was it showing?
Like, just a slide.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Film me on the stallion. Wait! No.
Get me up, horsey! This hurts my bottom.
Now you do me.
No.
You do me.
This looks weird.
Yeah, it looks like you're fucking the horse. Hold. I'll try. Watch this.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Holy fuck, this does hurt. I'm fucking lion.
Lion.
What does this not look like a lion? Woo! Holy shit.
Should I just go home now?
What do you want us to do? Hold on, we have to actually get some good shots of
It's
us
a
going
waste
down
for shots,
slide.
but like too hot outside.
Hang on. Let me at least get some good shots of me going down a slide. Maybe going down a slide.
Too bright outside.
I don't think I'm gonna fit.
Where'd it go?
Whee!
God, you're good at that. Don't fall.
Whoa. I'm queen of the world!
Yeah!
Oh, baby! Ah! I said kneel down and obey me. If you don't, I'll rip off your balls and deep fry them. You'll not shoot the foe.
I'm not bowing down.
Ready?
Ready, and go.
Done.
Awesome. Let's